Enjoy scenic sunrises over a water view. Bright and open, split plan. Tile and wood flooring. Main suite has 2 spacious closets, and the main suite bath has separate vanities plus a shower. The second suite has a large walk-in closet. Find pantry storage and utility sink in the laundry room. New 2023 stainless appliances. Space on the lanai is perfect for growing pineapples. All mechanicals and roof less than 10 years. Fiber optic internet and cable included in the HOA. Make your move to this exciting and pet-friendly, guard-gated community with cascading oak trees lining the streets. Pickle Ball, Bocce, Mahjong, Bridge, Tennis, Poker, Water Aerobics await. 1 mile to grocery, shopping, medical, and dining. Easy access to I-95 and the Turnpike. Motorcycles and golf cart welcome.